SwitchBot, over the years, has released many products with great success for blinds and curtains. But now they moved one step further and provide their solution for roller shades. And more specific, the SwitchBot Roller Shade, which is an adjustable smart roller shade that can fit on any window. But first, let's start by unboxing the device and check the package content. As you can see, there are a lot of accessories with this smart roller shade. A lot of brackets, and some tools. In more details, we have the actual roller shade, this plastic trim, the bottom brackets, solar panel, this remote control, which we can control the roller shade, these brackets to mount in the wall, this leveler, screwdriver, this tool to put some clips, some small screws. This is a very important tool, the cutting tool. Also some other plastic covers. These stickers that will help us to cut in size the roller shade, and the user guide. In order to start the installation, first we need to install these paper guides that will help us drill in the correct position the holes. And then we need to remove this end cover of the roller shade. We just need to remove these screws. And remove it like this. Then we need to untie these 4 screws in order to adjust in size the roller shade. Just be careful for that and be sure for the size. Measure it more than 1 times. Don't forget to include the length of the cover in your calculations for the length. And once we are sure for the length, you just need to tighten again these 4 screws. Next step is to install this sticker. This will help you cut the roller in the correct length. Once you install the sticker, you just put it back in place, put this cover, and install the cutting tool. Secure it in place with just these 2 screws. And then you are ready to start the cutting process. For the next step, you will need the SwitchBot mobile application. Just open the application and add the device. And then follow the next steps. Please have in mind that the guide included in the application is very detailed. Now follow the instructions, and while the roller is rotating, tighten this screw until the end. Make sure that you reach the end of that. This will help cut the roller in the correct length. Once done, untighten the screw and remove the cutting tool. As you can see now, the roller is cut. You just need now to adjust the length of this tube. Untighten these 4 screws. Adjust the length. And now it's time to add this plastic tube, which you have cut just before. Slide in. Make sure it's the correct length. And once everything is aligned perfectly, the next step is to tighten the 4 screws in order to secure it in place. Now make sure that the space from both sides is equal. It will be around 5 millimeters. And now it's time to add this plastic trim. You need to install it in the bottom and secure it in place with these metal clips. Just use the included tool. Start from the one side and proceed until the end. Put one clip every 10 to 15 centimeters. Once it's done, it's time to put the bottom bracket. Fold it like this, insert it through the cut, make sure that it's inserted correct, then it will be secured in place, and slide it all over. Do the same thing also from the other side. So now you have the bottom bracket installed and secured, of course, in place. Next, we need to install the roller in the base. Just slide in like this, rotate it a little bit if needed, and make sure that it is slide till the end. That's it, perfect. Next step is to add the other bracket on the other side. But first, put this cover, this plastic cover. Install the bracket we have just removed earlier. And secure it in place with the two screws. Make sure to tighten enough, and then just add this plastic cover. Everything now is ready. You need to install the roller shade on the bracket you have put on the wall. Our roller shade now is ready to operate. Just press the bottom button and it will go down. Don't forget that using this remote control you can also charge the roller shade, which is very useful as well. Also, you can control the roller shade via the SwitchBot application. You can move it step by step and stop it at the preferred position, or press the fully open, which will open it till the end. Same, you can fully close. Please have in mind that before that you need to have calibrated this correctly via the application. And of course you can control this using the quiet mode, which will reduce the speed but also reduce a lot the noise. And now our thoughts on the device. We think that SwitchBot create once again a great product. A lot of features and very premium feeling and quality for the product. It is highly recommended if you need something for your roller shades. It is also a very good and competitive price. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please press like and consider subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.